Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine we have it completely open like this, as you can see, and that's basically because we're gonna be testing the thermoblock. This machine's thermoblock was leaking. It had a little hole right here. This is the old thermoblock, as you can see right here. A little tiny thing. There you go. That's exactly where it was leaking a lot of steam. It was also leaking through the back of the machine, and it was rusting some other pieces as well. So we replaced that with a brand new one, and we've been testing this machine for a while already, making steam, making hot water, just testing it. So we're gonna test again the steamer. Just this time it's gonna be on camera. The machine needs to heat up this thermoblock that you see right here. Once this thing reaches temperature, this water pump will start pulsing water through the entire thermoblock, going all around to the valve, going all the way to here, which goes all the way to this hose and to this steam valve right here, which is open by moving out this lever. As you can see, steam in this machine has a nice pressure coming out of it, excellent temperature. Working excellent, as you can see in the video. Impressive. And this one is not leaking. No water or anything falling in there. Right, but now you stop it. We also clean around the hopper, clean around some of the areas of the machine as well, since we already had this thing completely apart. And now we're gonna do an espresso shot. Now this grinder right here, standing the bean, is going inside the infuser. The transmission is moving, it's going back and forth, pushing that brew unit. And then from here it does extraction, as you can see right there. Water is passing through from this water pump into this thermoblock, which then is going straight to the valve of the generator and then pushing into the brew unit and then into the spouts. Nice coffee coming out of the machine. Let's do that one more time, and then I can show you the back of the machine while it operates. Right now the transmission is at the grinding position. Now it's pushing it all the way into the generator, as you see right there. And then now the water pump is sending water from the water tank to the generator and then into the spouts right at the front. As you can see, it's a steady stream coming out of the spouts. Perfect 2 ounces, just as we mark it down right here. And yeah, just working. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica, no leaking, and it's producing steam the way it's supposed to. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.